If you're looking for top-notch boat servicing and repairs, your search ends at King and Sons Ltd. We have a wide range of experience giving boats an edge and making cruising easier for you. Whether your boat's paintwork is peeling away, you need to store it somewhere safe during winter, or it just needs some maintenance, you'll get exceptional boating solutions from us. From repairs to refitting, King and Sons Ltd in Pinmill, Ipswich offers a wide range of restoration services. Using effective techniques and traditional materials, we will work with great dedication to ensure that your boat or yacht looks as good as new. We're also fully equipped to store and launch boats up to 12.5 tons and 37 feet in length. We offer a full solution including collecting from the mooring, lift out of the water, pressure washing the hull, dismasting, setting down, supplying or storing of supports and cradles, dinghy storage, and relaunching and placing onto your mooring. So, whether it's repair, refurbishment or mooring, at King and Sons you'll find the knowledge, experience and good old-fashioned customer service that you need.